have studied GK. So today we will study GK. Okay. First of all, tell me, which is your country? In which country do you live? In which country do you live, children? Very good. What's it? India. India is our country. And what do you call a country? Bharat and Hindustan. What do you call? Bharat and Hindustan. India is our country. Alle? Endana country? India is our country. Okay? Then, how many states are there in India? Do you know how many states are there in India? There are 28 states and 8 union territories. Okay? 28 states and 8 union territories. So, how many states are there in India? 28 states. And how many union territories are there in India? 8 union territories. Okay? So, which is our country? Our country is India. Then, how many states are there in India? 28 states. How many union territories are there? 8 union territories. Now, tell me, in which state do you live? In which state do we live? Kerala. It is Kerala. Which state do we live? In Kerala. Which is the capital of Kerala? Which is the capital of Kerala? Thiruvananthapuram. Which is the capital of Kerala? Thiruvananthapuram is the capital of Kerala. So, in which state do you live? In Kerala. And what is the capital of Kerala? Thiruvananthapuram. And what is Kerala known as? God's own country. Devathinte സ്വന്തം നാട്. Alle? Kerala is called God's own country. Now, which is the capital of India? Do you know which is the capital of India? Delhi is the capital of India. Which is the capital of our country? Delhi is the capital of our country, India. So, our country is India. And how many states are there in India? 28 states and 8 union territories. And which state do we live? In the state of Kerala. And which is the capital of Kerala? Thiruvananthapuram is the capital of Kerala. And what's Kerala known as? God's own country. Which is the capital of India? It is Delhi. Okay? Which language do we speak in Kerala? ഏത് ലാംഗ്വേജാണ് സംസാരിക്കുന്നത്? മലയാളം. So which language do we speak in Kerala? It is Malayalam. And which is the national language? Which is the national language? Hindi. This is our national language is Hindi and our state language is Malayalam. How many districts are there in Kerala? Do you know how many districts are there in Kerala? There are 14 districts in Kerala. Etra district unda? 14. 1-4. Okay? There are 14 districts in Kerala. Now, what are the major festivals in our state? നമ്മുടെ സ്റ്റേറ്റിൽ ആഘോഷിക്കുന്ന മെയിൻ ഫെസ്റ്റിവൽസ് എന്തൊക്കെയാണ്? ഓണം, വിഷു, അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ what are the main festivals? Onam, Vishu. Then we celebrate Christmas, Diwali and all festivals. The main festivals are Onam and Vishu. Okay? Then what are we going to study? So now we are clear with which is our country, which is the capital of our country, in which state, the state capital. Okay? Which is our country? Our country is India. And the capital of India is Delhi. How many states and union territories are there? 28 states and 8 union territories. And which is the state in which we live? Kerala. And which is the capital of Kerala? Thiruvananthapuram. And what is Kerala known as? God's own country. Then, which is the main festivals in Kerala? Onam, Vishu. Then, how many districts are there in Kerala? 40 districts are there in Kerala. Now, who is our Prime Minister? Do you know who is our Prime Minister? Who is our Prime Minister? Who is this? Very good. Shri Narendra Modi is our Prime Minister. So, നമ്മുടെ പ്രധാനമന്ത്രിയുടെ പേരെന്താണ്? Mr. Narendra Modi. Okay? Now, who is our President? Who is the President of India? Who is this? You know? Mr. Ramnath Kovind. Mr. Ramnath Kovind is our President. Then, who is the Chief Minister of Kerala? Who is the Chief Minister of Kerala? Who is this? The Chief Minister of Kerala is Mr. of Kerala, Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan. Okay? So who is the President of India? Mr. Ramnath Kovind. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Mr. Narendra Modi. Then, who is the Chief Minister of Kerala? Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan is the Chief Minister. Okay? So, teacher ini ഇതെല്ലാം വിളിച്ച് ചോദിക്കും നിങ്ങളുടെ അടുത്ത്. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ പറയണം കേട്ടോ. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ എന്തൊക്കെ പഠിച്ചു? We studied about my country, India. Okay? Then there is a map in your textbook. Please color it neatly and send it to me. Okay? See you in the next class. Bye-bye.